I am not prepared. So we're just going to wing it. This will be fun. Give me. Okay. Hi, we missed last week because of the ice and snow, and we were closed. So I'm here this week to share a couple more wines with you. This week's, she's taken the book from me. Everything is gone. This week's Take and Bake is Spanish themed. I know there's paella. There we go. There it is. Spanish Take and Bake. So that is for this weekend, available for pickup on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. You can call ahead and reserve your dish for $35. That serves two, and I believe when I've ordered these, there's always leftovers, so that's nice. Ham croquettes, which is Spanish fritters. Yum. Paella is a traditional Spanish dish, a rice dish that says meat, fish, seafood, vegetables seasoned with saffron. There's Spanish garlic mushrooms. Yum. Mushrooms sauteed with garlic, olive oil, lemon juice. And then a tres leche cake. Ultralight sponge cake soaked in a sweet milk mixture. So delicious. We have some Spanish wines and one not so Spanish wine to tell you about today. So first, I'm going to show you this one. I'm not going to be opening it, but if you come into the restaurant this weekend, you could get this Magnum. Actually, I believe you could add it to your Take and Bake or to-go order as well. So this is a Magnum, which is equal to 2 full bottles of wine. It's Stone Cellars Merlot. I have been here when a few people have ordered it, and everyone said it was delicious. So even without tasting it, I do recommend that you add one of these to your meal. I think it's $23. I hope that I'm not wrong. I'll let you know if I'm wrong, but I think that it's just $23. And like I said, this is equal to 2 bottles of wine, and it is a screw top, so very easy for you to take it home if you and your party cannot finish it here. Last 2 weeks ago, I think, I did try this Verdejo online. It wasn't my favorite, and I'm going to try it again because why not? It is from Spain. This one was made with organic grapes, so it is a Spanish wine, probably going to pair well with, let's see, so it's a Verdejo. It should go really well with the mushrooms. Yeah, because there's garlic, olive oil, lemon juice. So I would think that this would be, I'm going to taste it. I'm just going to. Oh, well, I mean, did it smell good last time? Let's just forget about last time. Let's just try it. I'm not a huge fan. But it is, I know that there are people that would really, really like this. And so maybe don't take my word for it. It smells delicious. It's just bigger than I think I usually like my white wine to be. I bet it would be really good with those mushrooms. So I myself might have to get order and get some of this. I think it would go really well with mushrooms and the lemon and garlic with the mushrooms. So yeah. I mean, I didn't spit it out. I don't ever spit out. It's fine. Okay, we're going to move on. You may remember I had a Hobnob Wicked Red. That was a while back. And this week, she tried to order some more of the Hobnob, and they sent a Pinot Noir of the Hobnob. So we're going to give this a taste. A 14.5%. So I do recommend this. It says Hobnob. This is fun. A hobnob is 2 people or more drinking to each other through the clinking of glasses and rubbing of elbows. to chum around a gathering, the perfect wine for successfully accomplishing all of the above. So that's fun. She only gave me one wine glass, so we're doing some awkward blending. Sorry. Okay, so this is the Hobnob Pinot Noir. Most likely, she has it set up here, so it'll be on special this weekend. Oh, I will be honest, I'm not a huge Pinot Noir drinker. My very dear friend is, and so I often do have Pinot Noir with her, but I'm not. Remember, we're giving it 2 tastes. I'm not saying anything because that is fresh on the heels of that Verdejo, and you know how I feel about that. This one smells really nice. It's a very true to good example of a Pinot Noir. A little peppery. It's peppery. When I look over here, I'm looking at this menu as I'm reading. Yeah, that's peppery. I think that this would be so good with my personal favorite right now is barbecue sandwich. But I'm feeling like that barbecue would be a nice pairing with this. Something barbecue, maybe even what else is on our menu? The steak and ale pot pie. This is a good wine. It's easy to drink. I did mention 14.5%, right? So remember that. So after the first glass, you might not care. It'll a little more of the dryness than I usually prefer. I need okay, sorry, I'll be really fast. She leaves me alone and the video gets longer and I take off. I disappeared. So this is obviously from Spain. This is the Spanish Quarter, a Cabernet Sauvignon and Tempranillo blend. It looks like it's 55% Cab Sauv and 45% Tempranillo. I love both of these wines. So I have no doubt I'm going to enjoy this. I think that we were kind of reading about it before she ordered it last week. I like to look at the numbers, 13.5%. This one will also be on special this weekend. And hopefully she was planning to have it by the glass. Because I'm opening one. You can at least get a glass until this bottle is gone. Sorry. Ooh. Wow. Okay. I'm going to pour a slightly smaller cup this time. I got a little carried away that last time. So like I said, a Cabernet Sauvignon Tempranillo blend. And this one is from Spain. Oh, yeah. That smells very, very, very good. So you can add a bottle of this. I'm going to double check. Typically, though, on the weekends, you can add a bottle of this to your take and bake for $15. Yes? Yeah. The Spanish Quarter, 15, 23 for the Magnum. I was right. I did remember that. And yum. Okay. This wine is delicious. Yeah, just Cabernet Tempranillo bun. Is it good? It's very good. I think it would go very well with the paella. I don't like that word. Paella. This is very good. The ham croquettes, I bet that would be so yummy. It's full and it has all the right amount of flavor and none of that, what I was doing with the Pinot Noir, none of that is there. This is just a nice, full, delicious wine. Really, really good for $15. This is a great deal. So I would definitely add a bottle of that. I do believe that this Verdejo with the mushrooms, the Spanish garlic mushrooms, I think that's going to do something very different with that wine. So I'm really curious.
Yeah, but I think it might go well with the cake because it's not sweet.
It's not sweet, but the mushrooms with the lemon and garlic, I think I tried it again just to double check. So, but this Spanish Quarter wine, it's a nice, pretty, classy label. So I think you should add that. It would also go well if you're in-house. I think that we're having tacos in-house?
No.
Okay. Okay.
In your own house.
In your house, you can get some. If you have some left over after your paella, then you can do that. Okay. Oh, yeah. No, that's good. All right. So the Merlot, the Stone Cellars Merlot is a big Magnum bottle, just $23, and it is 2 full bottles of wine put into one. And as I said, everyone that I have sold one to enjoyed it. So, and then we have the Verdejo, which we do believe will go pair well with. I don't know about the paella, but it will probably go well with the dessert, definitely with the mushrooms. And it's a white wine, so if you prefer white wine, then this may be your go-to for the Spanish take and bake. Hobnob Pinot Noir is just fine. It's tasty. If you're a Pinot Noir drinker, you will have no problem with that. And finally, my favorite of the evening, the Spanish Quarter Cabernet Sauvignon Tempranillo blend. From Spain, it is full Spanish, so it not only goes really well with the take and bake, but I'm telling you that wine is delicious. And so I think it will go well with anything that you would normally pair a red with. So even if you come in and have a double smash burger, I think it would be a nice touch. So nice to see you all again. I'm happy to be back, and we'll be back next Thursday with some more wine tasting. Have a great weekend.